Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here to show you another salad recipe. This is what I had for day 3 of week 2 of my 50 days weight loss fast. Tomatoes. I've boiled the sweet corn and also boiled the mushrooms. That's my avocado and chicken. When I boiled the sweet corns and the mushroom, I added a bit of salt, so I'm not going to add any extra salt. Don't go without my black pepper, so let's add a little. And please don't forget to like this video. Because I'm watching my weight, I'm not gonna do any fancy dressings. I will just simply add black peppercorns and then a little chili flakes, and I will sprinkle my lemon on top. If at this point you want to add salt, you can, especially if you are not doing this for weight loss. I wonder whose birthday JL is celebrating. If today is your birthday or you are celebrating your birthday anytime this month, may God bless you and give you long life, good health, and answer all your heart desires in Jesus' name. Have an amazing celebration. If you're new to this channel, thanks for watching my video. My name is Peace, but you can call me Sweet Lady. I've got a lot of educative videos that you can benefit from on this channel, so please take your time, go through my channel, go on the playlist session and watch my other videos. Thanks for your time.